We've started our memory document. Anything we add to this document is automatically going to be updated in the gem. So we've pulled as much information as we can from, there's some stuff here in Google Drive. We took transcripts from our meetings. We took, whatever you can get into Notebook LM. One of the cool things in Notebook LM is once you've added stuff, you can click Discover and it will help you find more stuff. So I can just click a button and it will help you automatically find stuff in your Google Drive that may be relevant. I'm just going to let that do its thing. Here we go. That's a little bit weird. Ceramic and metallic femoral components. Who knows what that is? Anyway, we've taken stuff from Notebook LM. We've taken our headings and we've tuned things and we've made them better. You can still take this document and you can still ask it to be improved, but we've gathered as much data as we can from different sources. Then we have refined that data and we've tried to expand that data as much as possible. And then we've added all of that data into a Gemini gem. So inside our Gemini gem called Memory Gem, we've added our document, we've given it some basic instructions, and we've now got a gem saved here. And hopefully you took the URL of the gem and you saved it as a favorite. So anytime you want to go to Gemini, it takes you straight to your memory gem. This is now where you go when you use Gemini. And I promise you, this is going to be 10 times better than what you've had so far. Now, I want you to be thinking about in the back of your mind, how can I improve the data here? Are there other data sources that I can bring in? And then bit by bit, you just keep adding them. And an easy way to do that is to do the same thing that we did. You get a piece of data, you go to this document and you say, hey, Google, here's some additional data. Can you disregard anything that's a double up, but keep anything additional and don't remove anything? Help me update and help me add to this document. You could also, if you wanted to be really clever, go to your memory gem and say, hey, what other information do you need from me to round out my memory to get a full picture of me personally and my business for you to be the most effective assistant ever, right? So let me put that in and let's just see what it comes up with. I'll give you that prompt in the chat as well. I find myself updating this document anytime I get an answer that I don't really like and I feel the need to tell Gemini to respond to me differently. And the moment I update this document, the gem will be updated automatically. That didn't happen in the past, but it happens now. If I update the document, the gem gets refreshed, so I don't have to do anything else. Update the document, then immediately I can start using the newer version of the gem, which is really useful. I find the other information, it's only when I notice a gap in its context, or I stumble across a really good data source. I'm like, oh, this is great. Let me go back to this document and see how can I merge these together. So here we go. It's told me, all right, based on the following documents, what information is needed for a more complete picture? So detailed financial statements. Okay, so I could upload our P&L for the year. I'd add a 12-month P&L that would show the income lines, revenue lines, and give a full breakdown of the business. So that would be a good idea to add. Unit economics, we could pull that from our reports very easily and share that. You mentioned providing SOP guides, but okay, I didn't attach the SOPs to this one. That is in my other memory gem. Customer and leads data, I also didn't add that to here. Org chart, there we go. That would be a good idea. Add your org chart so Gemini has an idea of your team. List of executive and leadership team members with specific responsibilities. This stuff I could easily pull from my Notebook LM, right? From the meetings that are sitting in Notebook. So let's go to Notebook. All right, I've got all my leadership meetings in one place here. Give me a list of all of my team and each of their responsibilities as mentioned here. So this is board meetings and leadership meetings in this one. Let's go back here. We've got, wow, even everyone and their nicknames, which is pretty wild. So yeah, I would grab that. I'd put that in here, team overview, and paste that there. Cool. And let's just double test it. All right. Tell me what you know about Arlene. That should hopefully have updated it in real time. I have tested this previously. It's searching. Oh, it's looking at data sources. Okay, come on. There we go. Great. So it's pulled in information that I just updated here. So yeah, it's updating that in real time as soon as I've made a change. Cool.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.